Hi, third grade. This is your science video for Monday the 6th. We are going to start a new unit on water on our planet and the water cycle, which is very exciting. But before we do that, we need to just go over and review our simple machines test so that we can be sure that we all understand everything before we move on to something new. So go grab your test and a pen or highlighter, whatever you have handy, and let's go through it one more time before we move on, okay? So starting with the first page, number 1, a flat surface with one end higher than the other. That should have been D, inclined plane. Okay? Number 2, a simple machine made of a wheel with a groove and a rope. Groove and a rope, that's F, a pulley. Good. Number 3, an inclined plane wrapped around a center post. That's G, a screw. Number 4, a measure of how far an object moves. How far does an object move? That was A, distance. Number 5, a simple machine used to cut or split something. That was I, a wedge. Number 6, a tool that measures force. We know that's a spring scale. That was H, spring scale. Number 7, a straight bar that turns on one point was E, a lever. Okay. Number 8, something done when a force moves an object a distance. That was J, work. Number 9, the ability to do work is B, energy. And number 10, a kind of wheel with teeth all around it is C, a gear. Okay, so let's turn to the next page. All right, this was multiple choice. Number 11, a push or pull that can move an object is A, C, force. Number 12, the only simple machine that does not move is the A, inclined plane. Okay, 13, the force that makes a rolling ball slow down and stop is C, friction. Number 14, a faucet handle is an example of a B, wheel and axle. Number 15, you push on a heavy box, but the box does not move. How much work have you done? That's A, no work. Remember we talked about how in these terms, if you're pushing, great, but if nothing moves, you didn't get the work done. Number 16, you push down on one end of a lever to lift blank at the other end, and that would be B, the load. Number 17, I'll give you a second, turn the page. Number 17, a small force applied over a long distance is a D, trade-off. Number 18, a lubricant is used to C, reduce friction. Number 19, when a wedge is pushed down between objects, the object, B, moves apart. And number 20, a tool with few or no moving parts that helps people do work is a D, simple machine. So I hope you all, for the most part, understood the test. You did, I saw from your test, you did well. If you have any questions on this further, just ask your parents to email me. Otherwise, we're going to move on from simple machines and start our work on the water cycle.